Hi, you guys. I am going to do a taste test of Artisan's Organic Raw Coconut Cacao Bliss. It's right here. Found it at the store. It looked interesting. It is a USDA certified organic product, so let's give it a try. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm frightened. I'm frightened. I'm fucking frightened. Apparently, there's a layer of coconut on the top. Woo! Kind of scary. I do have a fork with me. Let me see. Okay. 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 Okay, I understand now. Okay, you just stirred the coconut in. So it's got just a little bit of a layer of coconut on the top. So stir that in. Still scared. It smells good. You can smell the coconut for sure. Now I'm going to try this on, show it to you now that you've stirred in. I'm going to try it on a slice of banana. Let's hope for the best. That was very weird. I'm going to try a little bit without any banana. Let me stir it up a little bit more. Alright, here we go. Try it out on its own this time. The cacao is definitely got that bitter chocolate ness to it. The coconut, I don't know, man. It's okay, I guess. But the bitterness of the chocolate, I guess, is what is really. I'm going to try it again with the banana, but a lot less this time. Last time I maybe did too much with the banana. Here we go. I don't know, man. The coconut is a very, or the coconut comes off really oily. Um, and the cacao is very bitter. So yeah, I have a lot of high hopes for this. And if you're someone who likes dark chocolate and you're a big fan of coconut, this might be something that might be right up your alley. You might enjoy it. But for me, mm-mm. No, it is too bitter, and the coconut to me, there was kind of an oiliness there that I can only assume it was coming from the coconut, because that's what it reminded me of, is coconut oil that we cook with. So, alright guys, I'm going to put, I believe they do have a website. Yes, they do have a website, so I'm going to put a link to their website below, and you guys can make your own decision if you want to give it a try or not. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.